क्या आप इंग्लिश का डर खत्म करना चाहते हैं और इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हैं? तो आज हम एक कहानी के जरिए इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। कहानी को अंत तक देखना और अच्छी लगे तो ब्रो अंग्रेजी बोल चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब कर दो, बाद में भूल जाओगे। हम यहाँ कहानियों की मदद से इंग्लिश को आसान तरीके से समझते और सीखते हैं।
Numbers and narratives. Aman loved numbers. He saw patterns in the petals of a daisy and equations in the stars at night. To him, the world was one big, exciting math puzzle waiting to be solved. Friend loved words. She could dive into a book and disappear for hours, exploring enchanted forests or solving mysteries in bustling cities. For her, stories were magical journeys. A boy who saw the world in numbers and a girl who saw it in stories might seem like an odd pair. But Aman and Priya were the best of friends. They knew that friendship wasn't about being the same, but about being there for each other. One afternoon, Aman stared at a blank page. His English homework was to write a story. "How do you even start?" he groaned. "There are no numbers to guide me." Priya pulled up a chair. "Think of it like building something," she said kindly. "First, you need a foundation. That's your beginning. Then you add the walls, the middle, and finally, the roof, the end." She helped him find the words, and soon, Aman's blank page was filled with an adventure. The next day, it was Priya's turn to be puzzled. Her math homework was a word problem about two trains traveling at different speeds. "It's just a jumble of words and numbers," she sighed in frustration. Eamon peeked over her shoulder. "Let's make it a story," he suggested. "Imagine it's a race between the Speedy Express and the Mighty Local. Who will win?" He turned the numbers into a thrilling tale, and suddenly, the solution became clear to Priya. At school, they saw a poster for a career guidance seminar. "What do you want to be?" Priya asked. "An architect, maybe," Aman mused, "and you'll be a great author." They decided to go together to see what the future might hold. The seminar was buzzing with possibilities. Aman was fascinated by a woman explaining how she designed skyscrapers, while Priya was captivated by a man who wrote adventure novels. They visited every booth, their minds filled with new ideas. On the way home, Priya said, "You can design the amazing libraries that will hold all my books." Aman grinned. "And you can write stories about the brave explorers who live in my buildings." They didn't know what they would become, but they knew they would always be each other's biggest fans.